Hello everyone, it's Don Maarko. I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you the cups that we made in Yingge a few months back. I've been waiting for these cups to get here for maybe nearly 4 months. It's took them a bloody long time to make the cups, so let's see what they look like. I've already kind of half opened the box. A little bit of giddy excitement. Okay, I'm gonna have to be careful with this, okay? This is kind of how the box came packaged. It was wrapped up. Our cups are inside here. I'm gonna take them out one by one and show you what they are like, okay? I will put a link in the description to the previous video where we were making the cups so you can see how it was done and all that. So let's get on with it. On to the first cup. It is all wrapped up. When it came, I've kind of took it out. I did take it out and have a look to see that it really was our cup when we were in the shop. So I've kind of wrapped it up myself a bit badly, but the shop did have it wrapped up better than that. Now, take off the bubble, take off the thing, the paper, and we will take it out the bubble wrap. Slowly take it out the bubble wrap. And this one is, put it closely, this one is my missus's cup, okay? My missus made this cup and it is very nice compared to my cup. The handle is very nice. It's a good level thickness all the way around, and it is a really big handle. So I'm a little worried about the handles for some reason. And also this shop we went to, they let you have 2 different colors. So you see the hearts she's added. Some other shops would only let you have 1 color. This is my missus's cup, okay? Very nice. Quite a simple idea. Just lots of little red hearts. I would imagine mine is not as nice as this one. So I am going to wrap this one back up in case I knock it over or something like that, and put it away, and then I will get out the next cup. See you in a little bit. Okay, so this one has to be my cup, alright? So we'll take off the paper. Mine is also wrapped up in paper and bubble wrap. So we will show you the cup that I made, and you can see how different it is to the one my missus made, alright? I was kind of lost for ideas what to write on my cup. Everyone else seemed to have an idea just pop into their head. So I very, very badly, it looks so ugly, I very badly wrote Newcastle NUFC League Cup winners. If you look at my hearts and stars, my star looks very ugly. It doesn't look like a star. Needless to say, I don't think cup making is for me, is it? Pottery. It's like bad pottery. And then I also put initials on, and my missus also put initials on, but the initials, they didn't show so clearly. I don't think we put the initials so well. You can't really see this very well. It says MG, okay? MG, and that is my cup. And my handle, compared to the missus's handle, it's very thin and narrow here, and it's wonky here, and it's a bit thicker here, and it's not straight, it's not smooth. It's like a big wonky handle. And that is my cup. So there you go. To conclude this video, those are the cups we made in Yingge. So if you like this video, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. See you in the next one. Goodbye. See you later.